Ryobi leaf blower will not start. Ryobi leaf blowers are built on a small gas 2-cycle engine. As with most 2-cycle engines, it is very compact and has few parts that make it start. Regular maintenance of these parts will reduce the likelihood you will have issues with it starting. After a long winter's storage, however, these parts may be damaged or require servicing. You should troubleshoot and repair any starting issues on the Ryobi leaf blower in conjunction with the troubleshooting steps outlined in your owner's manual, but following these general steps should repair most common issues. Things you'll need: fuel, wrench, spark plug, screwdriver. Open the fuel tank and inspect the fuel level inside the tank. Fill the tank to the top. Remove the spark plug from the engine, using a wrench. Inspect the end for signs of burnout, rust, cracked porcelain or broken electrodes. Replace the spark plug if it's broken. Locate the wire leading to the ignition for signs of breaking or to see if it is disconnected. Remove the screw that holds the wire and replace it if it's broken. Contact your local service technician if the engine is still inoperative after you've followed these steps.